Archaeologists have used artificial intelligence to identify where all the stones go correctly in order to reconstruct one of the world's oldest jigsaw puzzles. An ancient lighthouse, originally built on the orders of Roman Emperor Nero, was knocked down by a tsunami that hit the Turkish Riviera in the medieval period. But with artificial intelligence, all of the stones have been identified and the AI has managed to work out where they go in order to rebuild the Roman lighthouse. Experts found that most of the stones had survived and the small number that had been damaged will be replaced. The 26.5-metre high lighthouse was built on the orders of Emperor Nero in the ancient city of Patara in 60 AD and it was destroyed in 1481. The ancient structure will now be rebuilt using most of the original stones. The script on the lighthouse says, "I, Emperor Nero, ordered this lighthouse to be built for the sake of my sailors."